Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View at the Hux World. Today we got a unique watch face worthy of a download, and on top of it, the watch face is free. Now, the name of the watch face is called RESP Modest, and in the AOD mode, you're gonna get a nice digital time. It's gonna be in a black and white thing, but when the watch face is on, I do like this look, right? It's definitely a casual dress down watch face. It's gonna give you a battery percentage, your month, your date, the day of the week, and also your digital time. Now this theme that you're looking at is gonna change according to the time. You gotta check this watch face out. Again, I think it's worthy of a download. Check it out. If you don't like it, you can undownload it. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.